So, ganito kaganda guys ang Montreal. Ang gaganda ng mga old buildings nila dito. Sobrang ganda. Ma-amaze ka talaga. Pag eto okay, kapag inopen ko sa ano, masyadong blurred. Kaninang may araw, maganda yung mga videos. Maganda kumuha ng mga larawan. And then, so amazing talaga. Naantay naming mag-ano yung mga amazing, na? Structures and everything. This building, it's there, I think. It must be a hotel.
Hotel. This is a hotel, the Intercontinental.
So, I don't know. Kung pag-uusapan yung ganda ng Toronto at saka ng Montreal, dito kasi sa Montreal, guys, this is an old city, right? Old city. And ang gaganda ng mga buildings nila dito. And 7:15, ang time natin ay 7:15 ng gabi. Pero maliwanag pa din. So I'll show you how. Yan ah. Here. And then kapag ganyan. So ingat-ingat. Ingat. Until there we have to walk and then go back now. There I think is there. You want to use your phone? I think I got all my video now. So just until there, then I can off na, no? We don't have to cross. We don't have to cross. We go to the other side.
Fancy restaurants.
Yeah.
To go.
You have to go to the other side and then
$2.
yeah. So bukas guys ay pupunta na kami ng Quebec. So iniikot na namin yung pwede naming ikutan. Dahil nakakapagod din maglakad talaga. Nakakapagod. Super. Kailangan mo ng maayos na rubber
Why
shoes.
is the green blinking like that?
I don't know.
Green is below.
Oh, that is a nice one art. That one, no, but no, we don't have to go na there na, baby.
We have
that
to go
side?
where I'm going.
No, that one. That's art deco also, no? You want to cross?
Wait.
People are crossing.
Where?
You want to go there or you want to go there?
See, this is the metro station.
So we have to go back. But we have to go like that, right? See that side that I'm telling you, that side also, no?
Which metro is this? Where is Victoria?
Sa ito yung park nila dito.
This is where we came yesterday. We came from there.
Oh, that is the... Oh, yes. Yeah, I know. I remember this commercial union. We passed this, na? You want to sit down, na?
No.
So we cannot use this metro?
We can.
I'll just see those flowers there. Jean Contour. Nahirap ng bigkasin ito. I think, and this is the bus. Quebec tour. I can off now, okay?
Drop and give me my phone.
Okay. Bye-bye.